In this video, I'll compare two really powerful research tools for any e-commerce business, PowerAdSpy and Niche Scraper. Now, whether you're doing dropshipping or Amazon FBA, no matter what, using the right research tool to find the best products to sell and being able to learn from your competitors can be a game changer for your business. At the same time, picking the wrong tool is a great way to waste a lot of money and also a lot of time. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so I can help you make the right decision, because I'm going to cover important information about both the Niche Scraper and PowerAdSpy one at a time, including the product discovery features, supplier database, pricing and subscription costs, automation features, and much more. Hopefully that helps you make your decision. Now, for your convenience, I've included the link to both the Niche Scraper and PowerAdSpy in the description of this video so you can check them out. And now let's get started. PowerAdSpy is not directly focused on product discovery. It offers an indirect method through the analysis of successful advertising campaigns. By identifying which products are frequently advertised and performing well in various markets, users can get insights into trending products and potential niche opportunities. Now, what about market analysis? PowerAdSpy excels in market analysis, particularly in the context of advertising. It provides comprehensive data on ad performance, including engagement metrics, audience demographics, and geographical data. This allows dropshippers to understand which products are popular in different regions and tailor their marketing strategies accordingly. So, how does it integrate with other platforms? PowerAdSpy primarily serves as an ad analysis tool. It doesn't really integrate directly with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, so you can't use it for product management or listing. However, the insights that you get from spying on other people's ads can help you no matter what platform you're on, whether it's Shopify, WooCommerce, or any other one. What about supplier database? Again, PowerAdSpy does not include a supplier database because focused on advertising insights, not the complete supply chain management aspect of dropshipping. So what about their pricing and profitability tools? Well, PowerAdSpy does not actually have anything to do with pricing and profitability for dropshipping operations. But nevertheless, understanding the advertising spend and engagement data can help you kind of indirectly estimate the potential profitability based on the success of other people's ads for similar products. What about the user interface and ease of use? PowerAdSpy boasts a clean, intuitive user interface that's pretty easy to navigate. Even if you are a beginner to ad spying, the platform has a straightforward layout with powerful filtering options to help you quickly find the most relevant ad campaigns based on various criteria. So how do they do for customer support and community? PowerAdSpy provides robust customer support through multiple channels, including live chat, email, and a comprehensive FAQ section. The platform also maintains an active presence on social media, offering additional support and community engagement through platforms like Facebook. Now let's look at something that I'm sure you're all interested in, which is their pricing. So if we look at pricing right here, we can see that they have a monthly subscription plan. And if you decide to pay annually, then you'll save between 50 to 70%. So you can definitely save a lot of money. If you're serious about trying PowerAdSpy, I would recommend going yearly. But if you just want to try it out right off the bat, you don't know if it's right for you, then go with monthly. You can use the link in the description to try it. They actually have a free package that you can sign up for, and then you go up to basic, where you can actually try it for just $1 for 3 days, and then it goes up to $69 a month. And then as you get more and more features and more ad views, the price goes up all the way up to almost $400 a month. And so you can actually see on the website all the different features that are included with each plan. Now, what about analytics and reporting? Well, PowerAdSpy offers excellent analytics and reporting capabilities, providing detailed insights into ad performance metrics like clicks, impressions, and conversions. These reports are really valuable for understanding what kind of ads are successful and how you can replicate that success for yourself. Now, as far as mobile app availability goes, currently PowerAdSpy doesn't offer a mobile app, which can limit the accessibility for some users, especially if you want to manage your research on mobile devices when you're not at your computer. As far as what other people say in terms of user feedback and reviews, PowerAdSpy generally has positive reviews. What people particularly like is its comprehensive ad database and deep analytical capabilities. It's not perfect, but it's still a great platform for a lot of people, especially if you're a dropshipper or a marketer. Scraper excels in product discovery. You can see they have an entire section right here on their website. They've got a product scraper and also a section called handpicked. You get access to a handpicked selection of trending products here. The platform utilizes a robust scraping technology to analyze thousands of products daily from e-commerce platforms like Shopify, AliExpress, and more. Users can search through these products using advanced filtering options, including profitability, sales volume, and recent trends, making it a really powerful tool for uncovering hidden gems. Now, what about market analysis? Well, market analysis is another really strong suit for Scraper. It offers detailed insights into product trends, demand, and competition levels. Users can also access sales data and engagement statistics to better understand the market dynamics of potential products. This comprehensive analysis is essential for making informed decisions and staying ahead in really competitive markets. But what about their integration with other platforms? Scraper provides seamless integration with Shopify, allowing users to easily import products into their Shopify stores. And while the focus is primarily on Shopify, it offers enough information to be useful for people that are using other platforms as well, although direct integration might be limited with other platforms. But what about their supplier database? Well, Scraper does not directly offer a supplier database, but it focuses more on product metrics and trends. Users need to connect their own supplier research or pair Scraper with another tool that offers direct supplier connections. And what about their profitability and pricing tools? Well, Scraper includes a profit calculator that helps estimate the potential earnings by considering various factors like shipping costs, product costs, and suggested retail prices. This tool is invaluable. It's super useful for quickly assessing whether a product could actually make you money or if it's gonna destroy your business. Now, what about the user interface and ease of use? The user interface of Scraper is straightforward. It's pretty easy, although it doesn't look as beautiful as some other platforms that I've seen, but I guess that doesn't really matter because it's still really powerful and it does the job, which is what really matters at the end of the day. They do have clear navigation and explanatory elements that makes it easy for most users to find all their features. As you can see, their product discovery, market research, and all the stuff is right here on their homepage for you to easily see, so you know exactly what to do. Now, what about customer support and community? Well, Scrapers offers customer support through email and an extensive knowledge base. They also have an active Facebook group where users can share insights, they can ask questions, and they can learn from each other's experiences. So it's a really healthy platform in that matter. What about their pricing? Well, pricing is obviously important, so let's see how much it actually costs. Now, Scraper does not actually have a clear pricing section on their website, which is kind of annoying, but if you actually Google their pricing, you can see a review that tells you that their Scraper Pro plan starts at about $50 a month, and they offer lots of comprehensive features such as analysis of AdSpy and Shopify stores. The good thing about Scraper is that you don't have to worry about that because you can actually get started with it completely for free. What about automation features? Now, Scraper does not offer extensive automation features for managing like regular day-to-day dropshipping operations, but its product scraping and analytics can help you streamline the product research phase by a mile. It's just amazing. So what about analytics and reporting? The platform offers detailed analytics and reporting features, allowing users to track product performances and market trends comprehensively. These insights are crucial for adapting strategies and maximizing your sales. Now, if you're planning on using Scraper on your phone, you want to see like the results and check your data, Unfortunately, they don't actually offer a mobile app at this moment, which could be a downside if you're planning on using your phone. Chances are you're probably doing most of your business from your laptop anyway, so that shouldn't really be a deal breaker. Overall, the reviews and user feedback for Niche Scraper is largely very positive, with people praising the really effective product discovery and comprehensive market analysis capabilities. If you look at their FAQ section, they tell you like what's so special about Niche Scraper. Well, they have one of the most advanced product web crawlers available, and it's written by ex-Facebook and ex-Instagram employees. It is capable of analyzing trends and data to reveal true winning products that no other product research service can compete with. So that's a huge, really bold statement. And you know what? The fact that it was written by ex-Facebook and Instagram employees kind of signals that the product is probably really, really good. That's what I would assume if I didn't know anything about it. Clearly, Niche Scraper is an excellent choice for dropshippers focusing on discovering trending products and analyzing market opportunities. Now, as you can see, both tools have their pros and cons, and the best one for you depends on your specific needs. If you're interested in starting a new e-commerce business, or maybe you want to move your existing business to another platform, I'd recommend Shopify. It's one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world, and you can try it out for an entire month for just $1. For your convenience, I've included the links to all tools, platforms, and relevant resources to help you with your business. It's in the description box below. Drop any questions you have in the comments section, and I'll do my best to help you out as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.